Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create option or drop-down list in Google Sheets mobile. So let's get to it. Here I have opened my Google Sheets application and I have opened my spreadsheet as well. And we're going to create drop-down list or option on this city column. So the first thing we have to do is we can select the column that we want to add a drop-down list or option. And after that, we can click on this three dots button. Then we can choose data validation, and on the criteria we have to select list of item. So on the criteria you can click on it, then you can select a list of item and you can put the items right here. So for example, I'm going to add this item and you just need to click on enter after you type the item. Okay, like this. Okay, and after you're done creating the item, you can click on this option, this save option, to save the rule. Okay, and if you want to add the option, you just need to click on this icon. Then you can select the item or the option like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can create option or drop down menu in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.